compact to 20 car. It does not purr. It growls. The 2025 Hummer H1 concept is an ironclad beast resurrected from the battlefield, reforged with modern ingenuity, and sculpted into a monolithic vision of dominance. With its imposing squared-off physique, armor-plated panels, and sky-high stands, this isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling fortress. The LED light bar stretches like a command signal across its brutalist front, while reinforced steel skid plates and all-terrain treads hint at an unshackled thirst for chaos. Inside, the cockpit is an astonishing paradox: rugged military resilience meets cutting-edge opulence. A tactical-grade infotainment suite, encased in ballistic aluminum, anchors the dash, while augmented reality HUD displays provide mission-critical data in real time. The cabin is draped in Kevlar-lined leather, punctuated by titanium switchgear, ensuring an ambience of industrial decadence. Underneath its indestructible shell, an all-electric quad-motor drivetrain obliterates expectations, launching this titan from 0-100 km height in just 4.5 seconds. With 1,000 horsepower on tap, the H1 concept humiliates its rivals, the Tesla Cybertruck and Rivian R1T, with sheer brute force. An adaptive air suspension system allows seamless transitions from war zone to metropolis, while its solar recharging roof extends range beyond convention. Its Achilles heel? Size and weight make urban maneuvering a calculated operation. But for those who crave unparalleled road presence, off-road supremacy, and a legacy reborn, the 2025 Hummer H1 concept is not a choice, it's a declaration.